Welcome to the writing assignment 1.04, measuring length. This is a real-world writing assignment. A 96-inch board will be cut into pieces to add a decorative trim to a rectangular table. The length of the table is twice the width. All of the board will be used to add the trim. So the trim is 96 inches. The entire board will be used, and the board will be cut into only 4 pieces to match the 4 sides of the table. Find the location of the cut marks on the board. Okay, here's your table. Remember that it told us it was twice as long as it was wide. So we can actually use 2W because that's twice as wide for the length and W for the width. Explain what your drawing would look like. It's a rectangular table that is twice as long as it is wide. This is what my drawing would look like. Draw and label a figure that represents the board and the marks. Okay, here's my board. It's 96 inches long. Here's my table. It's twice as wide or twice as long as it is wide. Notice that I have 2 W's here, so I could say W plus W. And I have 2 more W's right here, so plus W plus W. And then look, I have 2 more W's right here because it's twice as wide as it is long, right? So total, that gives me 6 W's. Well, who wants to write out 6 W's? So instead, I'm just going to say 6 W's is going to be equal to 96. There's my equation when it asks me to write my equation. Then I'm going to figure out what the W represents. So I'm going to go ahead and say 6W is equal to 96. And I'm going to divide both sides by 6, which tells me that W is equal to 16. Sorry about that. To 16. Now I can go ahead and I notice that, oh, well, this side is 16 inches right here. And 2 times 16 is 32. So this side is 32 inches. And when I get ready to cut my board, I know that my first cut is going to give me a 16-inch board. My second cut is going to give me a 16-inch board. And finally, my third cut will give me a 32-inch board. So if my whole board measures 96 inches, how much will be left after my first cut? How much will be left after my second cut? And how much will be left after my third cut? Let me know if you have any questions.